In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to print a two-sided document on the HP DeskJet 2922 printer series. We will use the HP app. So let's start up HP app. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. From HP app, we need to tap on the printer. Select Print Documents. We'll print a PDF. We'll select this document. So this is a 6 pages document that we want to print two-sided. Let's go to Print Preview. Now this printer doesn't support automatic two-sided printing. So for the print range, we will print the even pages first. So pages 2, 4 and 6. Now the paper size in the tray, ensure that it is the correct paper size. In this case, it is A4. We will print in color and let's print. So pages 2, 4 and 6 have been printed. It is in this orientation. You need to flip it over and put it back into the input tray. On the HP app, we will print a range of 1, 3 and 5, which is the odd pages. Let's print the second side of the 6 pages document. So pages 1, 3 and 5 have been printed. So it's page 1 and this is page 2. This is page 3 and this is page 4. Page 5 and page 6. So this is how you print a two-sided document on the HP DeskJet 2900 printer series.